And why is the roof deck so important? This is where I'm doing the proposal. Putting railings on this deck is very complicated because the bus is already at the legal height limit. So I designed custom brackets that bolted onto the sides, allowing the railings to fold down when they're not in use. Then after I welded the railings on, Colby and I ran cable through them to make it safe. Definitely don't want Kelsey fainting and falling off or something. Then we put up the ladder, and for now, the deck was done. At this point, the bus only had a couple more major things until, well, we were done. Right now, Colby's in the master bedroom installing insulation on the ceiling for soundproofing, where we can finally get the drywall in and the lights. Meanwhile, on the other side of the bedroom, my dad literally built a closet into the staircase while I was getting ready to install our off-grid system. At the heart of the system were 4 200 amp hour 12 volt batteries. Whenever we're on the road, these will basically plug into the bus, giving us complete power. Each one of these batteries is 135 pounds. I wired them together and then took 2 wires back into the engine compartment to hook up to a second alternator I installed myself. This will charge the batteries while the bus is running, pretty much giving me unlimited power on the road.